Now I would request Sri Lakshmi to come forward and give her introduction. I request everyone to kindly be seated. Sri Lakshmi, kindly go ahead with your introduction.
My name is Sri Lakshmi Kishore. I'm a third year undergraduate student of the Department of Bioscience and Biotechnology, enrolled in its dual degree course with an interdisciplinary specialization in financial engineering.
Students, please sit down. Please sit down.
I'm a boarder of Sister Nivedita Hall of Residence.
Students, please sit down.
I'm from Thrissur, Kerala. I'm contesting for the post of Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2025-2026.
Panelists, you can ask questions now.
Sri Lakshmi, tell me, the name of your department was not earlier Biotechnology and Biosciences. Can you tell me the reason why the name of your department was changed?
Sir, in the year 2023, the Department of Bioscience and Biotechnology was formed. Previously, the School of Bioscience and the Department of Biotechnology was merged under one umbrella.
Sri Lakshmi, on social media, I have seen some photos of yours while mentioning that your hall of residence is Sister Nivedita. But I have seen your photos in front of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence. What do you want to say on this? While mentioning Sister Nivedita, do you want to just grab the female votes, showing the feminism?
Sir, I believe that any student who's presenting their candidature for Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, is unbiased towards any hall of residence or any gender for that matter. So please verify your facts before making any such baseless allegations.
Sri Lakshmi, if a woman is elected as the vice president, do we need a woman rep? And explain me why do we need it?
So please clarify your question.
If a woman is elected as vice president, do we still need a woman representative? And explain me why.
So the roles of Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana has been defined separately to the Institute's women representative. The Vice President looks after the welfare of each and every student of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, while the roles and responsibilities of the Institute Women's Representative caters to all genders and cases of sexual harassment under the umbrella of the Internal Complaints Committee. Please take after the fact, sir.
Hi, Sri Lakshmi, hi. So, you are a student of IIT Kharagpur. Could you please let everyone know the current deans who are currently newly appointed and their designation?
Ma'am, you are not audible. Please, can you repeat your question?
Can you hear me now? Am I audible? You are a student of IIT Kharagpur. Could you list the name of all the newly appointed deans and their designations?
Ma'am, please clarify the question. I'm not able to hear you clearly.
Candidate, she is asking about the newly appointed deans of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. She is asking about the newly appointed deans of IIT Kharagpur.
Ma'am, the newly appointed deans of Indian Institute of Technology can be easily found in all online platforms. This is not relevant to my
problem, no
introduction.
If you have a
Please
statement, you can say, but
take
no
a
problem.
look at the relevant information.
Shri Lakshmi, if you had talked to your seniors, which I know for a fact that you haven't, if you had talked to your seniors, you would have known that we do not need an Institute Girls Sports nominee when there is a Women GSEC Sports, right? But if you are elected as the Vice President, why do we need a women's representative?
Candidates, last question.
Sir, I have answered the question previously. The Vice President is instrumental in coordinating all the committees and subcommittees under Technology Students Gymkhana, while the Institute's Women Representative caters to all genders and raises the cases under Internal Complaints Committee.
Shri Lakshmi, you have been seen multiple times smoking outside the campus, which proves that you are not a good candidate at all. Keep that aside. Adding on to Shiva's question, would you like to take a photo outside SNVH after this? Would you like to prioritize SNVH over LBS, which you haven't done till now? Why are you prioritizing LBS? Why are you not prioritizing SNVH? You are a girl candidate. You are a girl candidate, Shri Lakshmi. Panelist, last question. But let her answer
Sir,
first.
please, can you repeat your question? I was not able to hear it clearly.
Shri Lakshmi, you have been seen smoking multiple times outside the campus, which proves that you are not a good candidate at all. Keep that aside. I have one follow-up with regards to Shiva's question. Like, you have clicked a photo already outside LBS Hall of Residence, marking that LBS Hall of Residence symbol over the gate of LBS. And you have not done anything till now till outside the SNVH Hall of Residence. So after this session, after this SOP, would you like to click a picture outside the SNVH? As you have not,
Panelists, you have asked your question.
As you have not done anything to
Sir,
the female votes.
please keep the questions relevant to my introduction. I have clearly answered your question previously as well. Sir, I can proudly state that I'm a boarder of Sister Nivedita Hall of Residence.
Panelists, last question.
Lakshmi, this question is relevant to your candidature introduction. From my sources, I have a list of all of the applicant of placement committee member, and I saw your name there too. This clearly shows that you already have a plan B in case you don't become a VP. How can you justify this?
Sir, thank you for your concern. When I stand here presenting my candidature for Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana, I can proudly say that my motivation and my intentions are for the welfare of the students of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. I believe that I am well informed about the activities of our institute and want to take the information that I have gained to greater heights.
Thank you, Shri Lakshmi. You can take your seat. Now I request Amish to come forward and give his introduction.
My proposals are the vision I hold for Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. After consulting with the relevant stakeholders and various students, I have reached a conclusion of all the problems that I would like to address and reaching feasible and scalable solutions for the student community. If I am elected, I will make sure to continue the work of the previous Vice President and work upon the proposals that I have initiated. Firstly, my proposal is regarding the modification of wellness services for strengthening the mental health assistance. It will be executed in a 5-part system. Firstly, the introduction of the digital psychometric testing infrastructure. Secondly, the introduction of a biofeedback therapy. Thirdly, the Volunteers Wrestlers program, which is similar to one in the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. Next, the facilitator-led support groups. Moreover, a centralized wellness website for Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. My second proposal is regarding the institutionalization of department-level coordination for inclusive placement outcomes. It will be executed in a 2-step manner with monitored departmental coordination and tackling the placement challenges for both the postgraduate students and the research scholar students. Thirdly, my proposal is regarding enhancing research and academic exposure opportunities. It will be executed using the research products as elective courses and moreover revamping the present student exchange program and also the introduction of departmental reading groups. My fourth proposal is regarding enhancing the co-working infrastructure and in creating inclusive student spaces in Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur for better student collaboration. It will be executed in 4 places. The modular co-working spaces behind Gymkhana, 24/7 access to the ground floor of the central library, the regulated access to the hall common rooms, the overnight use of Nalanda ground floor outdoor zones. The final proposal is enhancing the student residential life through hall management committee reforms. Firstly, a roommate allotment via psychometric testing and moreover introducing student involvement in maintenance complaints redressal mechanism at hall management center.
Panelists, go ahead with the question.
Sri Lakshmi, the first proposal of yours, it is clear that you have copied this proposal from this year's General Secretary Students Welfare candidate Krish Vashne. Sorry to see such thing from a Vice President candidate of this year. I'm feeling very sorry.
Sir, the reason I have included revamping of medical services through more scientific methods is because I personally come from the Department of Bioscience and Biotechnology, wherein scientific research is of the most importance. And I would like to the introduction of psychometric testing in replacement of paper-based testing that is currently there. Moreover, the introduction of a biofeedback mechanism in which the students' issues are addressed with more urgency.
Shri Lakshmi, in your second proposal, you have mentioned that you wish to instillate department level coordination for placements. Don't you think this was the exact proposal the current Vice President stands with? And don't you think this proposal has already started implementing and this is already has started? There is departmental level coordination and CDC DEP reps as well as the department level coordinates are working on the same proposal. There is no useful outcome from your second proposal.
Sir, after having done thorough groundwork on the same proposal and having coordinated with the placement committee members of this year and having talked to the undergraduate, postgraduate and research scholar department representative, personally, I have realized the importance of better coordination between the training and placement departmental committees as well as the placement committee members. There is a need for collaboration between the Career Development Center and an extra layer of emphasis from the undergraduate, postgraduate and research scholar department representatives for inclusive placement outcomes.
Sri Lakshmi, your proposal 3, enhancing research and academic exposure opportunities. This is the sole reason why IITs were established. And you think as a post holder of Gymkhana, you want to put this as a proposal. What are you contesting for, a dean or a director? This is the post of Gymkhana. Anything related?
Sir, if you understood the essence of every student who walks through the doors of Indian Institute of Technology, you would understand their desires to continue the research that they are currently in. If you understood the emotions and the needs of the students, you would understand the relevance of this proposal. Every student wants to be early exposed to the research opportunities, whether it is through the semester away program or a student exchange program or through the proposed research electives. I believe this will only be for the betterment of the institute.
Thank you, Sri Lakshmi. You can take your seat. Now I request Amish.
Greatness is not where we stand. It's the direction we are headed in. Sometimes we must sail with the winds and sometimes against it. But nonetheless, we must set sail. As an ecosystem of collaboration, innovation, and impact, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur has produced countless leaders, driven transformation and testament of excellence, and it will do so in the coming years. Through my journey here, I have been the part of my Hall of Residence for the last 2 years. At the same time, I have had the opportunity to represent our institute in international levels. Through these experiences, I've had the opportunity to truly connect with the students. At the same time, understand their dreams, their struggles, and their challenges. Despite our differences, we come together in this institute to create something greater than the sum of its parts. Through this, I would like to contribute to the legacy of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur by contesting for the post of Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. As the General Secretary, Technology at Sister Nivedita Hall of Residence, I have identified the gap in technical participation and awareness, and as measures, I have tried to more initiatives with introductory seminars and workshops, especially in various events like OpenSoft and quizzes. These beyond the events, I have collaborated with my fellow peers and my seniors at Sister Nivedita Hall of Residence to create a culture of technology, collaboration, and shared learning. As the consultant at 180 Degrees Consulting, IIT Kharagpur, I have had the opportunity to work on high-impact projects across the social and startup ecosystem. I have had the opportunity to directly work and contribute to the success of various ventures like Kakinada Seaport, CRY India, and Falhari. My leadership experience as the Executive Director at 180 Degrees Consulting, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. I have led 50+ consultants and managed 6 high-impact projects in my tenure. Also, This has equipped me with team management, stakeholder management, and team building skills that are essential for the post of Vice President. As an esteemed partner of Indian Institute of Technology, I am extremely proud to say that I have been instrumental in key initiatives for the campus placements preparation. We were able to establish the CDC resources portal on our official website at 180 Degrees Consulting. We were also instrumental and successful in collaboration with Microsoft organizing the Microsoft Summer Product School, a product management school series for all the students of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. We saw participation of more than 400 students in across 16 departments. Moreover, I believe in true spirit of KGP. It is for the students, by the students, of the students. We have built Bulletin KGP, which is a centralized platform for all public relations chairperson communication. And in the short period of time that it has been launched, we have witnessed more than 1,200 registered viewers. As a part of Lean-In Coordinator, IIT Kharagpur chapter, I've had the opportunity to closely work with the Students' Council and at the same time create an empowering and safe space for women initiatives through Lean-In Circle meetups and cross-departmental panel discussions. All of these initiatives have only deepened my commitment to student empowerment and inclusivity in Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. My belief is that this institute deserves a leader who can selflessly and humbly dedicate themselves in service of this institute. My involvements in Inter-IIT Tech Meet has been instrumental in my growth as a team player. As a part of the Inter-IIT Tech Meet 12.0, I was a design team member in which I had the opportunity to collaborate with various stakeholders and various problem statements. At the same time, I was also a part of Inter-IIT Tech Meet 13.0, in which I was a core team member at the Insulation Energy Consulting problem statement, in which we built a circular economy model for solar panel recycling. All of this states to the fact that it is a true testament of our hard work and our irreplaceable guidance from our seniors. Being part of Inter-IIT Tech Meet, I can proudly say that I was coordinating and in coordination with the Inter-IIT Tech Meet, I was able to contribute to the legacy of excellence of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. I was instrumental in doing so and marching us to victory for the 4th consecutive time, and have been a second-time member contingent in the Inter-IIT Tech Meet. I was also a part of Inter-IIT Cultural Meet in the Fine Arts contingent. It was truly a memorable experience to go to Indian Institute of Technology, Patna, where Inter-IIT Cultural Meet 7.0 occurred. I was instrumental in doing so and truly enjoyed the experience of working and celebrating the cultural collaboration alongside the contingent, marching towards victory and striving for the excellence of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Moreover, my campus involvements, other than that, my off-campus involvements have shaped my skill set and my perception. My time period in internships at Indian School of Business and Rajendra Mishra School of Engineering Entrepreneurship, I had the opportunity to work closely with professors who have been great mentors, who have taught me the importance of discipline and listening, which is a great skill to have in a leader. Moreover, my internship period at Lawson and Toubro and Frost and Sullivan has highly influenced my personal skills, at the same time chiseled my skill set. I believe that I'm a strong leader, and at the same time I understand all of these interests as well informed my skills. I believe this institute needs a leader who knows not just how to lead, but knows how he wants to be led. I believe all my experiences have given me the opportunity to reflect on what it means to be a good leader, to believe in the students, to communicate, to empower the student community. Moreover, I believe I would like to conclude by saying that I'm contesting for the post of Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana, because I believe in the student community, and I would like to be the representative who listens, who cares, and who understands the needs of our community. Thank you everyone for your time.
Thank you, Sri Lakshmi. Panelists, you can ask questions now.
Sri Lakshmi, according to your SOP, you were a part of Inter-IT Tech Meet twice. Are you aware that IIT Kharagpur is banned to organize Inter-IT Tech Meet? What was the reason which led to this type of decision? Don't you feel ashamed regarding this?
Sir, I'm extremely proud of the fact that I'm part of the Inter-IIT Tech contingent. There is no doubt about that. We have left our legacy, winning gold for the 4th consecutive time. And to answer your question, the ban is not a public information and does not need to be discussed in a public platform that will be defamatory to our institute. I believe this information does not to be discussed, and I will make no comments on it. I am proud of the fact that I'm part of the winning contingent for the 4th consecutive time, and I believe my seniors have been given the opportunity and have led us to great victory.
Do you have a follow-up, panelist?
Yeah. Follow up. I got the information from your hall borders that you are the current General Secretary Technology, but you never came to any of the subcommittee meeting conducted by the Gymkhana in Technology Committee. How will you justify this?
Sir, to answer your question, and thank you for your concern, when you are the General Secretary Technology at any hall of residence, your priority is to increase the participation in technical events conducted by Gymkhana. Moreover, I have been instrumental in organizing these initiatives at my hall of residence, Sister Nivedita Hall of Residence. I have attended the subcommittee meetings and along with my co-general secretary, been instrumental in increasing the participation. And to clarify, sir, we have been winning a streak of silver in general championship case study in the last year as well, where I have been the part of the team and instrumental in doing so.
Okay, Sri Lakshmi, listen to the question. You mentioned in your statement of purpose that the exact line I'll quote, you mentioned that you're deeply committed to inclusivity while bringing in 16 plus departments in the Microsoft Product School. Where did your commitment for the inclusivity go when one of the renowned media bodies of the campus put out a post stating only one side of the coin and not covering the other while the other candidates were targeted? Where was your commitment for inclusivity then? Please answer and explain.
Sir, to answer your question, any defamatory statements made by the public platforms of social media like Instagrams and these meme pages are not addressable in this meeting. This is a matter of pride, and the Scholars Avenue that you have mentioned, they have been instrumental in protecting the independency of the student media bodies, and I believe they have done an extremely important job by protecting all the candidates. Doing so, they have been impartial and unbiased towards any candidate.
Okay, I have a follow-up. Okay, so you mentioned that any media body which puts out. I did not mention any name, but I'm happy you took out one name. So you mentioned about the Scholars Avenue, but let me tell you, one of the other media bodies which is active on campus is present currently sitting with the panel right here and taking or writing an article about this soapbox. And you are telling that media body that Awaz is not addressable in this meeting or soapbox, defaming straight away. That's it. How will you explain that?
Sir, to answer your first question, I did not mention Awaz was not relevant or admissible in this statement. To clarify, sir. And moreover, both the media bodies of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur are unbiased and are here to report on the Technology Students' Gymkhana elections.
Sri Lakshmi, in your languages that you have mentioned, your elementary proficiencies in Arabic. I hope that you can't give your introduction in Arabic. Keeping that part aside, you have
And
joined.
ask only one question and one follow-up.
I haven't even asked the question, Sagar.
You have to ask one question only.
You have joined Students Alumni Cell in your first year and left it, which shows your incapability in your first year. You promised your commitment of working as an associate but left SAC in just 15 days when peak pressure. So, if you get elected as a vice president for the next academic session, we hope that you will be leaving the tenure in the very less time. So, to prove your capabilities, either give your introduction in the Arabic that you have mentioned, elementary proficiency, or prove that you are very capable for the post of vice president.
Sir, firstly, yes, I am proficient in Arabic, but to the general body, it is not relevant. And if you wanted me to give my introduction a second time, you could have asked me in the line of questioning in my introduction. Moreover, sir, yes, I was a part of the Students' Alumni Cell, and I believe I have completely responsibilities and resigned with the respective members of the Students' Alumni Cell. And I believe with my positions of responsibilities that I've currently held, that is the Executive Director at 180 Degrees Consulting, the leading coordinator at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, and the General Secretary Technology at 6th and Nivedita Hall of Residence. It is a true testament to my skills and my personality and my commitment to the student body and their needs.
Yes. There are 3 other candidates who are involved in various other cells and who have continued for the 3 years of IIT KGP, and you have left in your first year in 15 days, in a short term of 15 days, and you are trying to prove that you are capable, keeping this statement aside, and you are not able to give your introduction in Arabic language, keeping this statement aside as well. You have been texting me for the correction or the approval of hierarchy of the face of Gymkhana. I will be proving that right now. You don't even know
the hierarchies of the three phases of Gymkhana, which you are contesting for the Vice President post. This shows your incapability. You have been texting and also you have been reminding me and also you have to reminding me to correct it or verify it. This shows your incapability.
Sir, to answer your first question, I believe that my positions of responsibilities that I've held so far are equally as important as any other position of responsibility that any other candidate has held. And moreover, sir, my responsibility does not qualify, the eligibility criteria is not being part of any cell. The position of responsibility that a student has held is enough that to show the testament of their commitment towards the student's body. Moreover,
Kindly be
sir,
seated.
to
You can
answer
show
your
the proof after
second
the statement of
question,
purpose. Panelists, kindly be seated.
to answer your second question, sir,
Panelists,
I-
kindly be seated. You can show the proof after the statement of purpose. Panelists, move forward to next question.
sir, to answer your second question, you had asked me this question in one of the holidays and left the room. You left the room and I wanted to follow up with you. That is why I have put the hierarchy with you in person. It shows my responsibility for the commitment of this role, sir. I have texted you because you have left the room just after asking the question.
Candidate, you can have water if you want. Panelists can ask question out.
Sri Lakshmi, it has been confirmed that you were seen at faculty member's office after official times, taking some form of session from senior students. Isn't that the misuse of professor's sanctity and the purpose his room intended to be used for?
So first of all, please
Don't
do
tell her.
not make
Don't
any
tell her.
baseless
Just let her
allegations on
complete
my
answer. Let her
candidature
complete.
to defame my candidature, sir. I request you to please verify the fact before misleading the gender body on such important matters.
Panel.
Sri Lakshmi, are you audible? So अगर तुम्हारा हॉल का कोई लड़की दूसरे हॉल का ग्रुप में जाके तुम्हारा कैंपेनिंग कर रहा है, व्हाट इज योर व्यू ऑन दैट?
So please can you ask the question in English?
So some of your borders are joining others. Some of your borders
Janta,
joining
let
in the
candidate
other
ask the
group
question.
and they are campaigning of you. So what is your view on that? Is it okay?
मलयालम में पूछना है क्या? Panelists,
every
let
student-
one by one.
Sir, thank you for your concern. Every student of the general body is allowed to support any candidate and in form of any campaigning, sir. Moreover, this is a truly democratic process in which the vice president is elected by the students, for the students, of the students. Moreover, sir, every student has the choice that they want to make amongst the candidates present here.
Sri Lakshmi, you mentioned in your SOP that you are instrumental during Inter-IT Tech Meet. The captains of your event in Inter-IT has mentioned me that you were not an instrumental during the Inter-IT Tech Meet. This is also evident from the fact that you were not a part of the team which went to the hosting IT to represent the solutions. Is this how instrumental you will be as a VP? And that too, let me complete my questions. Is this how you will be the VP? Will you not listen to the students? I request you to go back to complete my questions.
Sir,
Should I complete
as
my
I
question?
mentioned- Sir,
Should I complete my question?
So you mentioned
Should I
that-
complete my question? Thank you. Thank you for understanding this. You were part of Inter-IT Tech Meet twice and even then you were not allowed to present in the roasting Inter-IT. Why?
So firstly, Please, I would like to clarify by saying that in my second year, I was a design team member in Inter-IT Tech Meet 12.0. And moreover, in my third year, I was a core team member in which advisors and captains were in the hosting of Inter-IT Tech Meet and they presented our solution. Sir, if you consult any of your seniors, you will get the information and the feedback on the work that I have done. And I'm very proud of the fact that I was instrumental in the Inter-IT Tech Meet and contributed immensely to the team.
Panelist, last question.
Sri Lakshmi, am I audible? Okay, so you clearly mentioned that Gymkhana elections are very democratic and it should be democratic. Yesterday in my hall, without the knowledge of any of the senators, your posters were there in every floor, in every block, in every washroom. What is your take on this and how will you deal with this? The thing is, you are taking the stance of being democratic while your supporters are not following it.
Ma'am, thank you for your concern on my credibility. Moreover, let me clarify by saying that each and every poster that was there in your hall of residence was promoting an initiative. It was to inform the general body of Bulletin KGP, which has been having more than positive response from the general body.
Sri Lakshmi, you are giving it the name of your initiative. Trust me, that initiative is nothing. It was only your face and very little details about the initiative, and it was done without intimation to any of the senators. And I have visual proof for it. Please do not argue.
Ma'am, if you had taken a second look at the poster, you would have realized that all the details were about Bulletin KGP. It was an initiative for the welfare of the students. The Bulletin KGP has been able to give notifications promptly and has seen more than 1,200 registered users. Thank you, ma'am.
I have already mentioned in the starting that there is only one follow-up, Panelists, you have any questions you can ask, otherwise we have to wrap it up.
Sri Lakshmi, you are very much aware that posting any pamphlets or printed material of your candidature is not allowed. Canvassing by printed material is not allowed as per the general election rules of Gymkhana elections. Then why did you have the posters? If that was an initiative, why did it have your photo? Why did it require to have your photo? Why was the posters having your photo posted in her hall of residence? Kindly answer me.
Sir, as I've mentioned previously, this was to promote the initiative that we spent days and night working very hard on. This, I have collaborated with the public relations chairperson, Mr. Ishwar Naik, and the previous public relations chairperson, Mr. A.S. Vargaya, which has been instrumental, and they understood how hard I have worked on this initiative. This is why I was able to promote the event.
Kindly be seated.
Thank you for your concern, sir.
Okay, regarding Bulletin KGP, whatever you are building, okay, there is a similar thing right now, which is kind of unavailable right now for a short period of time, which is the official mobile app of Technology Students Gymkhana. Can you name it and why is it currently available? Are you aware of it? I'm pretty sure you're not aware of it because you have not talked to the respective stakeholders.
Sir, the app that you are talking about Technology Students Gymkhana, I have talked to the relevant stakeholders and they have mentioned that it is still in the beta stage. They're still doing the testing and it has not been officially launched yet. So please, let me complete my answer.
Let her complete,
So please, let me complete my answer. So as I mentioned, it has not been officially released yet. This is not public information and the app that you are talking about has been mentioned, but it does not have the public relations initiative that I have taken.
Thank you, Sri Lakshmi, for delivering statement of purpose. You can take your seat.